Hello friends, today I am going to start quick revision of the Transfer of Property Act. The Transfer of Property Act 1882, total section 137. Movable plus immovable property के लिए है 5 to 37. Only immovable property के लिए 38 to 53A. It does not apply to transfer by operation of law. It operates only by act of parties. Both parties must be alive at the time of transfer of property, which is called inter vivos. The act is in force from 1st July 1882. It applies to whole of the India. The President gave assent on 17 February 1882. The state government has power to exempt retrospectively or prospectively. Section 2 is not that important, but इसमें एक बात याद रखनी है कि Section 57 and Chapter 4 may be transferred by operation of law. Next, सेकेंड चैप्टर को छोड़कर पूरा एक्ट मॉमडन लॉ के रूल से इफेक्ट होगा. नाउ वी डील विद इंटरप्रिटेशन क्लॉज. तिलकधारी लाल वर्सेस खेदनलाल का केस सेक्शन 3 पर इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी में 3 चीज़ें नहीं आती हैं: स्टैंडिंग टिम्बर, ग्रोइंग क्रॉप एंड ग्रास. Instrument means non-testamentary instruments which does not include will. Attested means attested by 2 or more witnesses and executant signed by some other person in presence and direction of executant, or received personal acknowledgement of his signature or such other person. Registered means registration of document, not of party nor property. Attached to the earth means things intentionally attached, as if rooted, embedded or attached to what is so embedded. Example, railway track. Now actionable claim, which are any claim other than debt secured by mortgage of immovable property or pledge or any other beneficial interest. It is for certain amount. Future fund immovable property होता है. It is to be read with section 130 of this act. When a person shall be deemed to be have notice of a fact, actually know the fact, willfully abstain from the inquiry, or gross negligence. These are 3 conditions for presumed notice. As per the explanation, any transaction relating to immovable property required by law to be effected by registered instrument, the person acquiring such property shall be deemed to have notice, which is called constructive notice. Daniel versus Davison is leading case on registration as constructive notice. This explanation imposed constructive notice. Tilakdhari versus Kedanlal, another leading case on notice. Second explanation says person being in actual possession of the property shall be deemed to have notice of title. Next, when agent acquire notice in course of business, it shall be deemed to have notice of that fact. Based on the maxim quid facet per alium facet per se, provided if agent fraudulently conceal the fact, then principal shall not be charged with notice. Now section 4, इसमें मार्जिन नहीं पूछते, सिर्फ ये पूछते हैं एज पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. इसमें माइंड में रखना है सब्जेक्ट टू एडिशनल टू नहीं है. इसे रक्षाबंधन सेक्शन भी कहते हैं. सेक्शन 54 पैरा 2, 3, 59, 107, 123 सप्लीमेंट है इंडियन रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्ट के.